With the trusted AI use case, we showcase how telcos can safely leverage the new data-driven business model. Telcos possess an abundance of data about subscribers' profiles, mobility patterns, behavioral trends, even lifestyle and activities. Leveraging this data in a secured, GDPR, and other regulations compliant and ethical manner within the whole ecosystem could bring unlimited opportunities for providing personalized experience end-to-end. Within the telco data space, CSPs could safely employ the concept of AI as a service and launch new products. Predictive analytics for capacity management for a public transport authority. Targeted recommendations for campaigns for travel agencies. Personalized healthcare packages, and personalized insurance policies. During this project, we have been working on a key use case for autonomous network services, where we showcase the automation of processes and the relevant cost reduction and higher efficiency for the CSP itself. The first and the key step is to analyze the privacy requirements and define the data usage policies. Despite the availability of modern technological approaches like homomorphic encryption or federated machine learning, we have concluded that each case complexity influences materially the AI performance and overheads required. As a result, depending on each use case, data may need to be shared either as a full dataset, anonymized, or encrypted. The final data usage policies must be defined after considering all the parameters per use case. For this project, we focus on the use case of autonomous network services, where the CSP needs to acquire real-time AI models. The CSP is required to share sensitive datasets, including information about geolocation, user IDs, and other. The data usage policy is executed by the CSP IDS connector, where separate app containers hold the application for necessary anonymization, encryption, and masking. The AI vendor, on the other hand, ensures isolated AI environment for each CSP and each dataset. The AI vendor IDS connector's usage policies and data access restrictions become particularly critical for the use cases in which access to the full dataset is required for maximum AI model accuracy. In those scenarios, the AI vendor has to demonstrate, firstly, that the ML model can be trained with limited rights for the AI data scientists, viewing only samples of the data. And secondly, delete privileges to the CSP through the APIs of the CSP connector, allowing the CSP to delete the AI model and dataset at the end of the contract. We have developed a prototype of the AI service group of the Telco data space platform. Every telco has a separate instance environment within the AI service data space. In each instance, we could see that a data scientist can only view a limited number of rows, while the actual AI model is having access to the full dataset. At the end of the contract, through an API, the CSP IDS connector can trigger the delete command for both the full dataset and the AI model itself.